In this video, I'm going to show you 8 different ways that you can make money with WordPress. Now, the cool thing with these different methods is they're both active and passive, so it's for people that are both introverted and extroverted. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn which process or which method is right for you. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for a free unemployee handbook that will teach you how to make money online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who's helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so as I mentioned, there are a bunch of different ways that you can make money with WordPress, and some of these ways I have direct experience making money with WordPress, and I want to share those experiences with you so that you can start taking advantage of them. And the great thing with the methods that I'm going to list today is they include both introverted and extroverted examples, so anybody can really do this, and you don't even need to know WordPress for a few of these methods. So let's go ahead and get right into it. The first way that you can make money with WordPress in 2022 is actually with building, creating, and selling your own WordPress themes. Now, what you basically want to do is you want to find WordPress themes that might have an error or are deficient in some way. Maybe they're slow, maybe they're not intuitive, and you can actually build them and make them better. Now, I'm over here on themeforce.net. It's one of the many places that people can buy and sell WordPress themes. And what you can do is just type in one. For example, I've got an example of a plumber here, and you could build WordPress themes that are geared towards plumbers. As you can see, this top result has over 1.2 thousand sales at $69. Now, obviously, ThemeForce is going to get a cut, but you can see there is lots of opportunity. There are thousands of people that want different WordPress themes. And one tip is if you build a plumber theme, you can build a construction worker theme or a janitor theme or whatever theme that you want. You basically will just change the temporary images that are there and change who it's geared for. As you can see here, I'm just going to click on this, but for the most part, all of these themes are foundationally, they're all the same. They're all based on the same coding, so you don't need to have an extensive amount of coding experience. So if we click on bold themes here, you're going to see they've created a bunch of different themes, and they're, for the most part, they're pretty similar. They just change who the target audience is for. So you can actually build these and you can charge anywhere between $5 and $99. But if we look at bold themes here, they've been around since March 2014, so not terribly long, but they have over 64,000 sales simply selling WordPress themes. They don't have to create any content. They just build the theme, put it on ThemeForce, and walk away. If they wanted to, they could market it with Facebook ads or something like that, but they don't have to do that. They're getting tons. Look at this: hairdresser, clinic, Astra. There's just all sorts of themes out there. You just get a list of different trades and you can build WordPress themes for each individual trade. But I think this is a cool opportunity. So that's number one. Number two, and this is how I got started making money online, one of the ways, is actually going out working with local businesses and building WordPress themes for them. So what I did is I actually got a list of businesses that were in my area here in Kenosha County, and I would look and see if they had a website. If they didn't have a website, I'd reach out to them and say, I'm willing to build a website for you. If they had a website, but it was poor, I would say, hey, look, your website needs some upgrades and I'd like to work with you. You can charge anywhere between $300 and $2,500, depending on what they need. So what I would actually do is once I found a person that wanted to work with me, I'd head on over to ThemeForce and I would type in plumber theme or church theme, and I would download those themes and I would put them right into their WordPress website, make a few changes, and there you go. Now, the cool thing, if you're working with small businesses, you tell them, what do you want on your homepage? What do you want on your About Us, or your contact? And they're going to give you all the information. You just need to make it pretty. And a lot of these WordPress themes actually have theme builders, so they'll do a lot of the work for you. You can get done in as few as 3 hours once you have enough experience. But this is a cool way to make money. If you like working with people, this is a cool opportunity, and you could actually arbitrage this out. You could go work with local businesses and then hire someone over on Fiverr to do it for like $50, and then you actually don't have to do any of the work. And so this is basically an example of service arbitrage. You find a client and then you hire someone else to do it for less work. Obviously, you're going to take home less pay, but you're not going to actually be working on the business, you can go out and find more clients. But this is an example of a website. I didn't actually do this website, but this is an example of a local business where you could look at their website and say, hey, look, you might want to improve this. Another way that you can make money is simply starting your own blog or website. Now, if we take a look at this here, this is my website, alstongodbolt.com, and I'm making money in a few different ways. One, with this ad here at the bottom of the page. If people click on this ad, I can make money. I'm also making money with email marketing. People enter in their name and their email. I'm going to follow up with them with email marketing. Also, if I click on this video here, I have affiliate links that take people to different places. So here's an ad as an example. Let's get rid of that. You can see here that some of these links are going to different affiliate programs. This link right here goes to a book that I sell. So you can see that there is tons of opportunities to make money simply with your blog or website. Now, what you want to do is you want to go out and find blogs that you want to go out and find keywords that aren't too competitive. Affiliate marketing is really competitive. And so I kind of lean on my YouTube channel, and we'll talk about that in just a moment. But you can see within starting a WordPress blog, there's a bunch of ways to make money. After a WordPress blog, I really like starting YouTube channels. Now, I have a channel that teaches people how to start a blog. The channel is called Web Hosting Rewind, just like that. And basically what I do is I create content to teach people how to create different types of blogs. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, what does this have to do with WordPress? All of these blogs, I tell people to use WordPress. Now, I actually make money in a few different ways with this channel. I make money with affiliate marketing. I recommend Bluehost as the web hosting platform, and I earn commissions. I'm sure you're wondering, how is that possible? You're not getting a ton of views every single day. You don't need a bunch of views. You just need to get in front of a targeted audience. I'm talking directly to people that are interested in starting a certain type of blog. Those people will click on my links because I'm helping them with something, and I can make money. Here's another example. Darren Wilson, his content is all about basic WordPress. For example, Elementor, if we click on his videos here, he has over 315,000 subscribers. He just covers all sorts of stuff when it comes to WordPress, and he makes money in a few different ways. He makes money with affiliate marketing. He makes money with the YouTube Partner Program. I jumped over to Social Blade to see about how much money he's making. I can assure you he's probably making about 3 or 4 times this monthly earnings, just based on the number of uploads, subscribers he has, and also the type of content that he's making. Believe it or not, WordPress, creating a blog is a high CPM niche because there's a lot of stuff that goes into building a website. Most likely, if you're building a WordPress website, you're going to want web hosting. So that right there, people are willing to pay for, because most likely once you start with a web hosting company, you're not going to leave. Also, companies like SEMrush, Elementor, all of these different companies are willing to advertise on Darren Wilson's YouTube channel. And so he's making more money than just the number that you see on Social Blade. But he is making money all sorts of ways. He has brand deals with, I think, Elementor or Divi Themes, one of them. He's making money with affiliate marketing, the YouTube Partner Program. Money is coming in all different directions. He had an agency at one point. I don't think he does that anymore, but you can see money is coming in all sorts of directions. So that's just another way to make money. You can also make money with affiliate marketing by recommending different WordPress themes. I'm over here on themeforest.net. They have an affiliate program. If we look all the way down at the bottom, become an affiliate. So you would earn a commission anytime you recommend a theme and they click on the link and buy that theme. So for example, when we look at Web Hosting Rewind, I could recommend the best food theme for WordPress. They click on the link, it takes them over to Envato. If they buy the theme, I make money. And of course, I have an affiliate link over to ThemeForest in all of my videos. So that's just another way to make money. And the final way that you can make money with WordPress is simply teaching people about WordPress. As you can see here over on Udemy, there are tons. There's over 10,000 courses dedicated to WordPress. But if we take a look at this top one here, there's over 22,000 views, which means there's probably over 100,000. So right at 100,000 students, and each student probably paid $9.99. So if we did the math on that, we're going to take 93,000 like that and multiply it by $9.99. And so this one course, which is probably maybe a 4 or 5 hour course, has brought in $929,000. The creator of this course probably made about 400,000, maybe a little bit less, because you do have to share the revenue with Udemy. But there are tons of different ways. And the cool thing with creating a course is you create the course once and you don't have to log back in. You probably want to log in to update it with the newest information. But for the most part, it's a 9-hour course, as you can see down here. But for the most part, you just create this and it's passive. Same thing with YouTube channels. YouTube channels are semi-passive. For example, I create these videos once and people are coming back again and again and again. For example, I created this video 5 months ago. It has 130 views. It gets a couple views every single day, but it's talking to a select group of people and they're all interested in WordPress, and I'm showing them how to do that. So just to recap real quick, we have building WordPress themes, which is going to be active, but you don't have to really talk to anybody if you don't want to. You can work with local businesses, start a blog, start a YouTube channel in a few different ways. How to start a blog is one way, showing people about different features of WordPress, or how to start a forum type website is another way. That's basically what Darren Wilson does. Yeah, Daryl Wilson, excuse me. You can be an affiliate for ThemeForest or other affiliate programs that have to do with WordPress, or you could create a course. Now that you know the 7 different ways that you can make money with WordPress, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, it'll take you to a free ebook where you'll learn how to make money online step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.